Now, hey everybody, Sloth Chopper. Yeah, like those moves. Quarantine cooking coming at you live from Blake Drive. That rhymes. Welcome to the wonderful world of Hellofresh. I'm making tostadas. I have never even heard of a tostada before until I watched Bad Santa. When he threw the ham and the bologna and the salsa on it and said, now you got a tostada. So that's what we're going to make.
So here's your tostadas. Cheesy beef tostadas. Got our ingredients: 2 packs of ground beef, cilantro, chili powders, warm and smoky. Got some veggies over here. She's playing with a pepper. Let's flip this around. What do we got here? Alright, so our first step is the prep. So we're going to get all this done, and then we're going to come back on this step right here. And why we're doing this step will be happening because we got our what? Super duper pan right here. This pan's awesome. As you can see from, remember if you guys seen in the original videos, like when we first got this pan, how nice it looked. See how much we use this pan? We use this pan like 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start chopping all this up. And then we'll pick it back up. Yo! Alright, so we're back. Probably went a little bit further than I wanted to. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you what we got going on here. Alright, so as you see, oh yeah, I got my pico de gallo. Chopped all my stuff up here. I got some leftovers. I got the sauce here. All that is sour cream and the hot sauce. Let's see here. Where is it? On step 2. Right in a small bowl, combine sour cream as much as hot sauce. Stir in some water, salt, and whatnot. And then we got the meat with the peppers. That's almost done. Then that's going to go in there, and we're going to make some tostadas. Are you excited?
When they come out of the oven, then we're going to put that cheese on there. And yep, I'm excited because I'm wearing Care Bear pajama pants and a Sloth t-shirt. And I'm making tostadas.
Because we're tostadias?
I'm toasty in those.
Toasty in those. Look at these dogs. They're just, oh my god. They smell food. And this one here, look at this one. Look at this one right here. Say hello, my name's Anna. And I'm so cute. Huh. And then this is Z-Bean. Z-Bean.
Zena!
It gets vicious, huh?
Ozzy, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Ooh, look, she said I'm a dancer. Say I'm a dancer. I love to dance. I love to dance. Huh. So yeah, so we're going to finish cooking this up. We'll get it plated up, you guys, and then you'll see the finished result. This is probably the most easiest HelloFresh meal that we have done, and it literally takes minutes to make. So I'm excited. Alright guys, so basically this is what you got. A tostada. It's like a mini Mexican pizza. Tiffany's a little bit more enticing. She's got the full blown out green peppers and the sauce. You know, I'm weird with trying new sauces and everything. And here they are. They come out like this. All like, yay! You know what I mean? And we've got peppers on the back of them. Let me flip this camera around. Okay, so that was our latest HelloFresh meal. Like, comment, subscribe below. As always, you guys know what to do. The quarantine thing's been a real killer. We ain't been out doing nothing. We've been passing up a lot of Goodwills and seeing all the stuff that has been there. And I cannot wait to go picking when this quarantine's lifted. And I can make a video other than cooking. Not that we don't have fun cooking, because we do. It's just sometimes when you have a channel based on, you know, reselling and traveling, you know, but, you know, a YouTuber I saw was like, you know what, it's your channel. You do what the hell you want to do with it. And it works. And it has been working. So, again, hit that like button, comment, subscribe if not subscribed already, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.